Wagwan people, welcome back again to another video. Yes, so today we're going to be looking at how to register a motor vehicle in compliance with the Road Traffic Act. That's right here in Jamaica, of course. Alright, so before we get down to that, still, I just want to give a big shout out to Yardi TV. And as I say, people check out Yardi TV. And when you're not done, check out Yardi TV. If you're not too busy, check out Foreigner TV. You understand what I say? Yeah, them are going with things. Them are atop the streets, down a Montego Bay. So check them out, people, and see where them are going with. Alright, so that is said, make we get down to the video like right now. Alright, so how to register your vehicle in compliance with the Road Traffic Act. In other words, how to license and insure your vehicle. You understand what I say? Whether it's a car, bike, bus, van, doesn't really matter. All of them go through the same process. You understand what I say? Yeah, so whether you buy a car, somebody give you a car, somebody died and leave a car and is your one now, yeah, this is the process where you have to go through to get it registered and to get it street legally for the streets. That means you can ride it on the road or you can drive it on the road or you can use it. You understand what I say? Yeah. So the first thing you would need to do, alright, let me just address this part right here first. If somebody died and leave a motor vehicle, alright, so them never leave it give you then, but your mother or your father or somebody close to you died and leave a motor vehicle and no one is there to claim it other than you. But you don't have the papers, or the papers is at the tax office but it is not in your name. What you would need to do, you would need to administrate on it. When you're dealing with property like land and so forth, them call a process there filing for letters of administration. If it's a vehicle, I don't know if it's called the same thing, filing for letters of administration or what, but I think it's an administration. You would have to administrate on the vehicle and then you get the proper documents and then you can go about doing what I'm going to tell you about right now. Alright, so first thing you would need to do, you would need to get the fitness on the vehicle. You understand what I say? You need to get the vehicle fit for the road. You understand? That should be the first process before you think about insurance company or you think about registering the vehicle. Because if insurance company are going to take on a policy, are going to give you a premium and put you on a policy, them not going to do it without make sure say your vehicle fit and ready for the road. You understand what I say? That means it have brake on it, it have lights, the indicators and so forth working. Yeah, so in order to get your fitness fit, what them require at the depot, if it's a car, you know, your headlights have to be working, your park light have to be working, your indicators have to be working, your brake lights have to be working. You understand what I say? Your windscreen can't crack. You understand what I say? Certain things have to work on your car, them are going to drive it and test it to make sure say the front end firm and it's sturdy and it can stop quick enough when it's supposed to stop. You understand? Stuff like that, yeah. So if it's a bike, you know now say your button start have to work, you have to have on your mirror, your indicators have to be working. You understand what I say? Your four-way flasher, you can't really have on no loud muffler up on your bike and stuff like that. You understand what I say? Yeah, so them are go ride it, make sure say it a ride and thing. Them, your hand is another thing, your hand have to work. I mean I remember if I said the mirror already, but nothing wrong, I can say it again. You have to have on mirrors on your bike. You understand what I say? Yeah, so after you get the fitness sorted out, the next step you would move on to now would be the insurance. You understand? You would need to get the bike insured with one or the car. Whether bike or car, you would need to get the vehicle insured. You understand what I say? So you would have to get an insurance company and go there and pay them and them give you whether it's a cover note, depends on how you can pay, you can get cover note like from 2 weeks to a month so forth go up. You understand? Yeah, you can get a cover note for a month and then you can just go to the tax office after you finish with the cover note, that is the insurance part, then you know say after that then you head to the tax office. And when I get to the tax office now, first thing you would need to do at the tax office would be a transfer. Understand? If you buy the vehicle from somebody, then you would need to transfer the title into your name. Understand? And in order to do a transfer, fitness have to be on the vehicle. Insurance has to be on the vehicle in order to do a transfer. You cannot do a transfer without any of those things. You have to have fitness and you have to have insurance. Alright, so you transfer the title into your name. And when you transfer the title into your name, now then you present your fitness. No, well, you have to present your fitness and your insurance. Then you transfer the vehicle into your name. After you transfer the vehicle into your name, then you go ahead and you register the vehicle. You understand? That means you license the vehicle then, in other words. You license the vehicle, and if you just buy it, you license it in your name, because your name upon the insurance paper, so the vehicle automatically, your name go upon the title and your name automatically go upon the registration. You understand? And I think some people say you have to have a driver's license. Some people don't. You do not have to have a driver's license. I know people who don't have a driver's license and them have car and title in for them name and it up on the road and it a drive, and them don't have a driver's license, other people are drive it for them. Understand? Yes, so you can get the process done with or without a driver's license. So after you register the vehicle and you do the transfer, you need to buy your plates. You're gonna need a pair of plates, license plate, if you don't have any license plate. You understand? Yeah, so you need all of these stuff. Yeah, so after you do all of that and get your license plate, then you put on your license plate on your vehicle and you get a sticker. When you register your vehicle, you get a sticker. So you put your sticker on your vehicle somewhere where it is displayed. That means that when you're driving on the road, the officers can see you and see say, yeah, you have up your sticker, and they won't have no reason for pull you over and I wonder if you're straight or not. The part there for the bikers them, because sometimes them put them sticker some places on them bike where the officers can't really see it. So I would recommend you putting a sticker on the right side of your bike so the officers can see it. You understand? Yeah, and if you're driving a car, always remember wear your seat belt. If you're riding a bike, always remember wear your helmet and use up your mirrors. If you don't have any mirror, you buy a pair and put on your bike and make sure so you're safe. Mirror are for your safety, are for your own good use. Not for the police them or not for the people who make the law and I tell you say you put on a mirror. The mirror are for your safety. Understand? So whether you're driving, wear your seat belt, whether you're riding, you ride with care. Alright, so if me leave out anything, please guys, don't be afraid to leave it in the comments. You understand what I mean? Say, yo, you did leave out a little part there. Yeah, you can drop in that. If you have any questions, you're free to go ahead and ask the questions in the comment. Don't worry, I will reply to your comments. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, see you later, guys.